Hey, welcome back, guys. This is Dr. Satpute from Stock Market Files. In the last video, we saw what is long straddle. Now, here we learn how to plot the payoff graph of the long straddle. So, why we are plotting payoff graphs? Because they are diagrams, right? Somebody has rightly said, a picture is thousand words, right? A picture is worth thousand words. It is rightly said. So by looking at the graph or picture, we can have very good understanding rather than crunching the numbers. So that's why we plot payoff graphs, right? So now we'll continue with our example of Nifty. A long straddle, we had bought 15,000 call and put both, right? And if you see, these were the total profit and loss for various strikes of Nifty. At 15,000, at 15,000, our profit and loss was minus 400. We had a loss of minus 400, and at 15,100, we had a loss of minus 300. So at 15,400, we have no profit, no loss, right? So beyond 15,400, we will have uh, profit, right? And here, if we go down till 14,600, we will have either no profit or a slight loss, right? But beyond 14,600 on the downside, we are going to have unlimited profits, right? That means in the range 15,400 to 14,600, we'll be having a small loss or no loss, right? So let us plot this in the payoff graph. So we saw that at 14,300 we had a profit of 300 rupees. If you see here at 14,300 here, at 14,300 we have a profit of 300 rupees, right? So now, so that's what we plotted. At 14,300 we have a profit of 300. At 14,400 we have a profit of rupees 200. At 14,500 we have a profit of rupees 100, and as we have seen at 14,600 we have no profit, no loss. So that is a break-even point on the lower side. But as we move up, right, when we go to 14,700 we have a loss of minus 100 rupees. At 14,800 we have a loss of minus 200. At 15,000 we have maximum loss, that is of 400, right? Now, as we move further at 15,100, we have a loss of 300. I'll show you one more time here. At 15,100, we have a loss of 300. And our loss decreases as we move up. And at 15,400, we have zero loss, zero profit. So at 15,400, we have zero loss, zero profit. And from that point onwards, on call side, our profit is going to increase, right? On put side, on the lower side, beyond 14,600, right, our profit is going to increase. At 14,200 we will have a profit of 400 rupees. At 14,100 we'll have a profit of 500, so on and so forth, right? So that's how we plot the points. And if I join these points now, I'll get a plot like this. So let me plot it properly. Yeah. So now, if I plot this, okay. So this kind of plot will get, this is the break even, this is the payoff graph for the long straddle, right? So now by looking at this plot, we can say that this is the range. If market remains in this range as an option buyer or long straddle buyer, will be in the loss or no profit, right? But as market goes beyond this, right, we'll make unlimited profits. But in this range, there's no profit or limited loss, right? So that is how we can plot the payoff graph of a long straddle, right? So I hope you understood, and thanks for watching, guys. Please stay tuned.